Welcome to our updated guide on how to send a GIF on Gmail using your Android device. Let's make your email conversations more vibrant and engaging with the addition of animated GIFs. To get started, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, locate and tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen to access your chat conversations. Choose the specific chat you want to send a GIF in. This could be a conversation with a friend, a family member, or a colleague. Open the chat to proceed to the next step. Now, look for the plus icon located at the bottom left corner of the chat window. Tap on this icon to reveal additional options for enhancing your message. Among the options available, find and tap on the GIF icon. This will bring up a selection of animated GIFs for you to choose from. Browse through the collection of GIFs and select one that best fits the tone or message you want to convey. Simply tap on the chosen GIF to insert it into your chat. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily incorporate animated GIFs into your Gmail messages, adding a touch of fun and expression to your communication. Elevate your email interactions and connect with others in a more dynamic and visually appealing way through the use of GIFs.